Hello guys, let's welcome you all to my YouTube channel Let's Learn with Muskan. Today we are going to learn a new concept related to time. We can write the time in two different ways. In a 12-hour clock, in a 12-hour clock and in a 24-hour clock. For the 12-hour clock, we will use the digits till 12 only, but we will use the concept of AM and PM. Other than that, in 24-hour clock, we can use the number till 24, but we'll use the concept of hours. The easiest way to convert the time in 24-hour clock is to make a two different clock. I'll show you how. Now you can see that there is a clock which is inside the clock, in which I have written the number which is starting from 0, because whenever we start anything new it starts from 0. So the new days also start with 0. After then, in place of 1 I have written 1. In place of 2 I have written 2. In place of 3 there is 3. Every number is same as the number of the clock. And I have write some numbers outside the clock, like 12 in front of 12. What comes after 11? There is 12. Then 13, 14, 15. I have written everything clockwise. Just what we have to do, if we find the number or if we find the time of AM, then we have to check inside the clock. Or if we want to find the time which comes in the section of PM, then we have to find outside the clock. For example, the timing is 1:45 AM. So we have to check inside the clock. What is written parallel to 1 but inside the clock, because we are on AM section. So 1K inside is it's 1 only. So we'll write 01. We cannot change the section of minutes. So we'll write minutes means 45 as it is, and we'll not put anything like AM or PM. We just have to put hours. Now the same time, but we have to show the same time, but the section is changed. 1:45 PM. If we want to check the time of PM, then we have to see outside of the clock. What is written parallel to 1 but outside the clock? What is written? It is written 13. That means after completing the one round, clock reaches to the 1, or what come after 12, it is 13. So 1 is parallel to 13. That means we can write 13 in place of 1. And 45 is minute, and minute should not be changed. So we'll write 45 as it is. And there is no concept of AM and PM, so we'll write hours. We can do one or two more examples, like if we are talking about 12 o'clock AM, that means the day started yet. That means AM we have to check inside the clock. What is written parallel to the 12 inside the clock? It is 0. That means there is 0 hours. That means day started yet, and 0 minutes. There is no concept of AM and PM, then we can write hours. Or if we are talking about 12 PM or 12 noon, then we have to check outside the clock what is written after 12 or outside the clock. There is written 12 only, so we have to write 12. We have to check that we have any minutes. No, then we have to copy like this only and like hours. Thank you.